How are you guys? I got a new LCD screen. This is the old one, and this is here the new one, and this is the new keypad, and here is how it's work. They have the wattage, the trip, the pass, and if you do these both, you wanna go to the very easy menu. So the I button is the enter, so here to adjust your tires, and here to adjust your speed limit. So the speed limit, it's 56. It depends how much you like. You need to tell him before you order. And if you like the old keypad, you also can tell him in the order also. So I'm gonna keep it 56. And here is the brightness for the screen, and here is the voltage for the battery. So if you go, there's too many things inside. And here is the advanced setting, the speed sensor, the assistant number, power set, current limit. So each one, they have their things inside. The sensitivity, the slow start, and all this is very easy to do it, not complicated like the one we have it before. And here is how long time you need to turn off the bike by itself. And here imperial or metric, and here to set your password. Here the factory racing, and the display, and the trip reset here. So everything worked perfect, beautiful. I like the screen. I like how they count the wattage here, but when I press now, when I'm not on it, it doesn't give me the right watt. Once I start driving it, and then they give me the actual. And you have the pass. You can adjust the pass from like the same first one, same thing, same factory, but this one is more color screen. So I did the pass for the 0 to 7, and here's the average time trip. So I got from yesterday to today, I did like 22 miles, and it's worked perfect. I love it. I like it. Easy to deal with it. And they show you the percentage of the battery, and nothing complicated. For the light button, you just, the only difference between this keypad and the other keypad is the light button. Otherwise everything is the same. So if you want to order the same keypad, you need to tell him on the messages that you want this keypad, otherwise he will send you this one. So this one is the same, everything the same, just the only thing is the light. When you turn on the light, you just press this one and the light is on. Yeah. And to be honest, I like it too much. Yesterday I did ride in the night, was very beautiful with this screen, show you exactly how many watts you do, how's everything, and that's it. And I will put the link for the where I buy it. I think I believe they have 3 different design. There is a cheap one like $80. This one is like about $90-95 plus tax plus everything will be like 110, and the other one is 135. But I asked him what the difference between this one and the other one. He told me the other one, just the only thing they have is the screen protector is glass, and that's it. So I don't need it. I like this one, and they have the USB charge here. Beautiful. I like it. I love it, to be honest. And that's it. I will put the link on the video, and as I told you before, you order, you need to take picture for this code here and send it to him. So it take like about 10 days to do the protocol for Himiway, and you need to ask him to keep your speed limit open, or you need to tell him what the speed limit you need to do. Otherwise they will give it to you for 25, the speed limit. And it take like about 10 days to ship it for you. And I buy it in June 6th. I receive it in July 3rd. And the guy is very, very understanding. He's a good guy. His name Joy. You can talk to him and he answer you fast. I love this LCD, to be honest, and I'll try to do a ride in the night so I can show you how the wattage is working. But now it's very hot, so I cannot go out. In the night time I'll do another video to show you how it's working when I'm driving it. Thank you. Have a beautiful, great day. Thank you so much. I'm trying to show you guys how it's work when it's driving. Thank you.